Hey, hi guys. So we just completed our introduction. So let us get started the Salesforce learning journey. Since I have introduced myself in previous video, so let us get started the Salesforce learning journey. So I'm skipping my introduction since the introduction is completed. So let's learn what is Salesforce. So first understanding Salesforce, right? So nowadays we are hearing Salesforce, 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 right? We are hearing everywhere in software industry what is Salesforce. So Salesforce is a customer company. It makes cloud-based software designed to help business content to their customers in a whole new way to find prospects, close more deals, and wow customers with amazing service. This is a definition given by Salesforce. So we will learn more in few minutes. Please hang on. Come on, class. So first, let us look into the history of Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud computing and social enterprise software as a service provider based in San Francisco and founded in March 1999. Why Salesforce is so famous, right? So we are hearing Salesforce, Salesforce, Salesforce. So why Salesforce is so famous, right? So Salesforce is a famous because in between 1995 to 2000, it was so popular that installing a software on user's computer and use it means just install a software in a user computer. But this process is very rigid and time consuming. Any software updates needs to update the software every time. To simplify that, to simplify that, instead of client software installed on each user's computer, user access the service through a web browser. This spares the end user the hassle of upgrading and managing their client software beyond the browser. All software and user data is in Salesforce data center and transmitted over the internet to a user's browser. So basically, the legacy way, right? Installing a software in a user's computer and use it. But the new way, right, in a cloud way of working, where user access the Salesforce application and data through a simple web browser who has simple internet and web browser, they access the data as well as application. This is the new way of working. So that's how Salesforce is so famous, because it is a very hassle free. So that's how the Salesforce is becoming so crazy nowadays. So let us look into why only Salesforce. Basically, Salesforce is a unified platform which offers a 360-degree view of the customer. By connecting and centralizing all customer data, enabling employees to escape their silos and meaningfully engage with customer across every department. Basically, it is giving a wider things to a company where every department will have some sort of a visibility what is going on, right, with the customer data, right? So that's how this is becoming a very popular, and companies are migrating to Salesforce for this reason. So let us look into careers available in Salesforce. So basically in software IT industry, right? So we will have a two major roles which we see: Salesforce admin and Salesforce developer, right? Basically, the Salesforce admin carry out the core function of Salesforce implementation. Basically, they are the backbone in what is happening in the Salesforce, right? Basically, they work with stakeholders and understanding the requirement and pain points and goals, and they work in the Salesforce and get the required output by using the Salesforce solution, by using the Salesforce. So, and also they maintain the platform, including staying up to date on the new features and releases, as well as fixing any issues, bugs. Okay, so let us move into the another role called Salesforce developer. So basically, the Salesforce developers support the admins. Basically, they are the customized people which helps the Salesforce admins. Basically, they also gather the requirement from the business and work with Salesforce admins. Basically, they develop the custom development, right? Basically, they develop the Apex class, triggers, and test classes. So basically, these are all called a custom development. Sometimes custom user interface development, including Visual Force Spaces, or Lightning Pages, Aura components, Lightning Web component. Sometimes they may work in the Salesforce API, which helps to integrate to other systems used in the organizations. They also be ensure to follow the best practices and maintain the code documentation and write or maintain the test classes for all custom developed components. Now let us look into the Salesforce certifications. What are the Salesforce certifications available, right? So basically the administrator, architect, platform developer, right? And app builder. So these are the key for technical developers. Administrator we discussed, right? They're the key, and they use the inbuilt features available in the Salesforce developers. Basically they work on the custom development. So for them, platform developer 2, and architect. So after developer, right? So once they completed and they have full hands on, they understand the requirement thoroughly, and they closely work with business. So they become the architects, and they closely work with business and define the solutions, right? So they call architects. So for us IT industry, right? So administrator is the base certification, and then platform developer, and then app developer, and then architect. Okay. And there are other certifications which Salesforce is offering. These are the three main certificates. So that's it for today. Let us everyone meet in next session. So request all viewers to share their comments in a comments box, so that that would help me to improve any sort of a change in my way of explanation, way of presentation. That would help me to improve. So request everyone to share their valuable comment. And once again, I request everyone to subscribe my channel to get a notification, to get a Salesforce learning content. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.